Hello and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In this video, we will see how to swap the variables in Python using very simple code. So swapping variable means you are exchanging the value between two variables if you are considering two variables. For example, if you are having x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6, then if you print x comma y, x is allotted with number 5 and y is allotted with number 6. So after swapping, value of y will go to x and value of x will go to y. Okay, so that thing you can do in simple step. You put x comma y equal to y comma x. Okay, and click run. Now if you print x comma y, you can see the value has been swapped. This is very easy in Python. But if you go to C programming or something, what you should do is you need to add a temporary variable and do that. If you know C programming or other languages, it is not so easy to swap the variable. You need to. Another thing is I'll give A, B, C values 1, 2, 3. Okay. Click print and click run. Now I need to reverse the order. Okay, I need to give C the value of A. Okay, I need to swap these three variables. Okay, so what I can do is I can do in the same way. So print, I'll do print A comma B comma C. So A is having the value 1, B is having the value 2, C is having the value 3. What I'm going to do is A comma B comma C equal to C comma B comma A. Okay, and print. Okay, now you guess what will be the values of A comma B comma C. Click and 3 2 1. Okay, now it is reversed. So what happens is, see here, A will be allotted to the value of C, B will be allotted to the value of B itself, and C will be allotted to the value A. So it is very easy to swap the variables in Python. But if you go for any other programming, you need to write a piece of code. So in this video, we have seen how to swap variables in Python with simple code. If you have any suggestions or comments, please write in the comment section. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.